Hey guys, my name is Betchoy and welcome to another episode of Plant of the Day. So yung ating featured plant of the day guys ay isang philodendron and this is actually a hybrid na philodendron. For the information of our viewers, yung ating black bilitay guys is actually a cross between two philodendrons, yung ating bilitay and our Ataba puensis. So I've decided na i-feature natin itong ating black bilitay kasi marami din yung nako-confuse sa ating mga viewers kung ano nga ba talaga yung difference ng black bilitay versus the regular na bilitay. So before natin pag-usapan yung ating black bilitay guys, ay pag-usapan muna natin yung kanyang mga parent plants. First na parent natin guys ay ang ating Ataba puense, which is this one. And yung ating second parent ay ang ating bilitay. Yan yung ating giant na bilitay na dito sa ating likuran. So bale, ito yung dalawang kinross para mag-come out yung ating black bilitay. Kaya kung titignan natin guys ng maigi yung ating black bilitay, we can be confused at times. Actually, nakuha niya talaga yung kanyang genes from both the parents. Now, when we discuss or take a look at the shape of the leaves guys, kung ako yung tatanungin, it's more on the Ataba puense side. It's narrow, and then medyo elongated siya. And then in terms of the texture naman ng ating black bilitay guys, parang doon niya nakuha sa ating bilitay naman ng mother plant. Isang distinct na characteristic ng ating Ataba puense na mother plant guys na nakuha ng ating black bilitay ay ang pagkakaroon ng medyo reddish brown or pinkish na underleaf. Yan, kitang-kita natin yan dito sa ating pot ng ating black bilitay. So currently guys, we have two pots ng ating black bilitay and dito sa ating collection sa ating garden. And this is the second pot that we have. And also, isang napakagandang characteristic talaga ng ating black bilitay guys ay ang pagkakaroon ng medyo may pagka-golden brown na type of variegation. It's not very obvious na makikita natin sa bilitay. And it's not also the same type of variegation na makikita natin sa Ataba puense. So parang naging combination talaga yung kanyang shade of variegation. So isa din sa mga na-observe ko guys with our black bilitay, although this is a crossbreed between the bilitay and the Ataba puense, sa ngayon parang kung ako yung tatanungin, parang nagkaroon na siya ng kanyang sariling label talaga sa kanyang sariling pangalan as a pure na philodendron. Kasi it's very different from the recent na mga crossbreeds na nakikita natin ngayon katulad ng mga crossbreeds of Florida Beauty with other philodendrons. So si black bilitay guys, matagal na itong lumabas sa market, especially yung green lang na black bilitay. So ngayon, nung lumabas yung ating variegated na black bilitay, automatic na umangat siya doon. Andun talaga siya sa mga top tier na mga collector's item na mga philodendrons. And in terms of rarity and pricing ng ating black bilitay guys, it's actually considered as part of the top tier ng mga philodendron na variegated as of the moment. So it may not come as a surprise na kung makahanap tayo ng black bilitay guys, matik yan guys. Nasa mga 6 digit talaga yung ating pricing for the black bilitay, especially kapag mga premium yung kanyang mga variegations at saka lush na yung ating mga pots of black bilitay. And to set as an example lang guys, itong ating bilitay, itong pot na ito ay actually na-sold na for the price of 200,000 and yung natira natin na second pot ay we'll just maintain it dito sa ating garden guys para magsilbing mother plant which we can later on propagate. And at this point guys, I hope na ma-address na natin yung confusion with the black bilitay versus our mother plants na Ataba puense and the bilitay. So that's it guys, and I hope to see you again soon on our upcoming videos.